Well, I found another good thing. I didn't want to scrap it out right away, but I'm always having to work on my lawnmowers, and golly, this thing works great to get it up high enough to where I can work on it. Oh boy, this way, see, I don't have to bend over to clean out the carburetor, fix the cable. Especially at the beginning of the year when I have to pull the filter off, change it. I can actually stand up and even, of course, I'll have to make this piece of plywood bigger because I want to be able to sharpen the blade. I can't really turn it over yet, but I will be able to. But at least I can get it up. Man, that alone is well worth the hassle of this thing. Getting down is one thing, getting back up is another thing, and it's starting to rain. Okay, let's get out of my shop and go into the tool room.